Hi, these are some interview questions that I need to answer. Have you ever given feedback on someone else's designs before? And have you received feedback on your own designs? During the course, I reached out to fellow design students on Slack for some feedback on my wireframes. To be honest, I found the feedback invaluable. It was really refreshing to get some fresh eyes on the work. The participants also found some design faults that at the time my tired eyes just didn't spot. In return, then I critiqued their work, and again, I found it it was very stimulating, spotting little oversights in their work and also complimenting their designs. It was just nice to be able to do that for them. How would your teammates describe you professionally? I would like to think that I come across as professional and creative, and someone that doesn't take themselves too seriously. I feel that I'm very approachable, and I'm always available to help my colleagues, when they're in need. In my former managerial positions, I've always strived to create a positive atmosphere in the workplace. Tell me about a difficult project where you overcame a challenge. To be honest, I found juggling the course with a busy job and a young family a bit of a challenge. Finding the time of the day to dedicate to UX has been difficult and stressful at times. To overcome this, I've had to tightly schedule out my week to make sure I complete the target number of exercises that I wanted to do in the week. This hasn't always gone to plan, but I've enjoyed every minute of it, to be honest. Think of a question you could ask the interviewer. I have a couple, to be honest. I'd ask them for an example of projects that I'd be working on if I got the job. I'd also ask them what would be, or to name some challenges that have seen people in the role or on the design team that they've encountered. As someone new to the industry, I'd like to get some kind of feel for the day-to-day running of the design team and the company. And that's all my questions.